conference will now be recorded.
Everybody can able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is good. Let me go. Go ahead. Little bit today delay because of first session we will take some long. Let me go with the next concept. Start with the JavaScript, right? So let me go with the Visual Studio Code. Okay, fine. JavaScript is browser interpreted programming and the top one programming in 2025 and open source. You no need to install JS. Every browser inbuilt JavaScript is available. And JavaScript is a client side, browser level, and server side also with the Node.js and all. Client side libraries like JS, jQuery, React, Vue.js, EXT, Angular, Knockout, all those things. Come to the server side, there are something like Node.js, Express.js. Let me keep like yeah. JavaScript files are saved with .js format. I told you, and JS is browser independent. It's like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, IE. For any browser, it will work out. And JavaScript is language independent. For all the languages, JavaScript is going to be work out. And come to the JavaScript. How JavaScript work for the HTML? There are two or three important things. The one is inline JavaScript. The one is internal JavaScript, and the one more is external JavaScript. External JS, three JS, three kind of JS we can go for, and this is recommended. What is the recommended one? In the real time, external JS is recommended, and where the file is going to be saved with file.js format. File.js format. Okay. Let me go for the internal JS, inline JS first. Mostly inline JS is element level JS, element level JS, element level JavaScript. Let me say JS. Okay. For example, there is a button. I want to click on the button. I want to click on the button. Okay, button. There is a button. I want to click on the button. When you want to click on the button, there is an attribute called on click. On click. So for this on click, whatever the functionality you want, you can provide. For example, in on click, I want to go for alert button clicked something. Button clicked something. Okay. So this is the message I want to see through the alert box. This is the message I want to see through the alert box when we click on the button. Some functionality. But every button I don't want to write on click. For example, if I have a number of buttons in the page, for every button, if I am going to be writing on click, on click, on click, it is nonsense basically. You don't go like that. So element level JavaScript is not that much useful, but sometime when your browser is coming, when your browser is launching, some prompt boxes are coming. That prompt boxes inline JavaScript people will use, but inline JavaScript people never use any JavaScript writing. But this is a concept which is available. I want to tell you how inline JavaScript is working. Let me see one program. Let me take one simple program. How inline JavaScript is working like inline JS, inline JS .html. Every file is .html only. Even you are writing CSS, you need to create the HTML file. Even you are writing the JavaScript, you need to create the HTML file. I'm creating the HTML file here, and this is the inline JS. Can I take button now? Can I take button in the body? I have a button now, but this button is asking me click me here. Click me here. Okay, open in the live server, and you have the button now, but button JavaScript not integrated right now. Okay, let me go through the Yeah, edge. Okay, now we have the button. Can you see the button here? There is no functionality given for the button, but I want to give some functionality for the button. There is a functionality like on click. So on click double quotes taken. Then for your alert message, you can take single quotes. Don't take double quotes again. Already on click attribute having double quotes. On click attribute already having double quotes here. Again, don't take double quotes for the alert box. Alert box, I'm taking single quotes and clicked on me. Clicked on me. Something like that. Clicked on me. Okay. Now execute the program. Refresh the browser. When you click on the button, something is going to be happening. Some JS is working. Some JS is working. Alert box is executing, right? When you clicked on the button, alert box came. What alert box is saying that you clicked on me or clicked on me. So JS is working. JS working exactly. Whenever you click on the button, alert is coming. Whenever you click on the button, alert is coming. That is something like JS is working. JS is working through the on-click attribute. JS is working on-click attribute. Let me take one more button. You double click on me. Okay. This button, second button, double click on me. Double click on me. Okay. For second button, what I want to say, you double clicked on me. Double clicked on me. Double clicked on me. Two times click. For attribute, what is the attribute here? On DBL click. On DBL click. Okay. Execute. Execute. There are two buttons. First button only click is working. For second button, click is not working. For second button, click is not working. You need to double click. When you double click on that, double clicked on me. Double clicked on me. Am I clear, guys? So individually for two buttons, two times I'm writing JavaScript. Individually for two buttons, two times I'm writing JavaScript. So this is basically not at all useful in the real time inline JavaScript. Next, I go for internal JavaScript. Internal JavaScript is basically page level JavaScript. If you have 100 pages in the web application, 100 times you need to write the JavaScript. Even this is also not recommended internal JavaScript. This is page level JavaScript. Page level JavaScript. Okay, so how to write internal JavaScript? Through the script tag. Script tag open, script tag close. Script tag open, script tag close. This is actually internal JavaScript. Script tag open, script tag close. That is actually internal JavaScript. Inside the script tag only you can write your JS code. Whatever the JS code you have, that JS code you can write inside the under the script tags. Under the script tags. That is internal JS. Okay, let me write the program for that. Picking new program, and this is internal JS dot HTML. Everybody getting understand? This is internal JS. For internal JS, I told you compulsory there is a script tag here. Inside the script, just alert body loaded. Body loaded. Something I want to see. Body loaded. Whenever your body is getting loaded, I need to show one alert box or some JavaScript is working, some kind of situation. I want to say alert body loaded. Alert JS is working. JS is working. I want to see two alert boxes. One after another. Alert boxes will come one after another. First alert is what? Body loaded. Second alert is what? JS is working. Let me execute this. Open with the live server. Body loaded, obviously. Script is working or not? Page level script is working or not? I don't have any single element. I don't have any single element in my HTML, but I am trying to executing the script tag. Script tag executing. Script tag executing means inside the script, whatever the JavaScript you are writing, that is also executing for me. The first JavaScript I am writing like alert body loaded. Second JavaScript I am writing like JS is working. Two alert boxes are coming one by one. Two alert boxes are coming one by one. Why? Because of script tag is working and your JS block is working. Your JS code is working. Am I clear, guys? How the internal JavaScript is? Am I clear how the internal JavaScript is? Any questions on this? My voice is audible, guys?
Yes, yes, it's all good. It's good.
Yes, sir. Sir, can
Yes.
you go to the inline ones?
Yes, go.
Here,
Inline,
when you okay, okay.
inline allows inline allows only attributes like on click, on double click, on page load, on body load, something. So body, some body also there is a one method called the body on load, like body loaded. This kind of thing. Body loaded. Body loaded. Okay. Only through the attributes you can write the JavaScript here in the inline. Only through the attributes, element attributes, and only for events. Only for events. Click is one event, load is one event, double click is one event. See, for example, if I execute this, first alert is what? First
Body
alert is
loaded.
body. Second alert is what?
Click
Second
me.
alert. Second alert will not work until unless you are clicking on the button. Second alert will not work out until unless you are clicking on the button. When you click on the button, then only it will work out.
Yeah.
And third alert also will work. But when it will work, one event need to be happen. What event the user have to do?
Click.
Double click on the second button. Then only the another event. But body automatically loading. Whenever the body is loading, on load. This is on load. Body on load. Body on load. I'm writing alert box. And this is the event. That is the body event. And this is the button event. This is the button double click event. Inline JS is only working for just like attribute level. Attribute level. And mostly different kind of websites. When you open the website, they are giving a prompt like provide your name, provide your email, sign up with our website. Some kind of prompt they are actually showing. When you open some websites, immediately one pop-up box will come in the middle of the page. They're trying to asking your details, right? So if you don't want, you can close the window. That is okay, fine. But first of all, they are showing some message to you that they will write in the body download functionality. When the body is loading, they are actually showing one prompt box. Please fill your details, kind of thing, in the center of the page. Am I clear, guys? In that cases only inline JavaScript is there. Otherwise, inline JavaScript is not it. And coming to the internal JavaScript throughout the script tag, we are working with the script tag. So when the body is loading, automatically script is loading. And I'm writing alert box. Here I'm not writing any attributes. If you want, you can write attribute here also. On load, you can write on load here. On load. Again, I'm writing inline JavaScript here. Okay, alert. Okay. Already double quotes outside and inside single quotes. Body loaded. In this case, two JavaScripts are working. Okay, here I'm removing this. Here in this case, two JavaScripts are working. Body loaded. I am from internal. I'm from inline. JS is working. I am from internal. How many JS types are working with this program?
Two.
How many JS types which are working with this program? Two JS types. One is the inline and one is the internal. This is internal. JS. That is inline. This is internal. When I execute this program, two JS files will work out. Okay, JS working. I am from internal. Oh my god. That's good. That's great.
Inline it should be.
And body loaded from inline. Great. What's the problem?
It took priority, like internal is the highest priority.
That is DOM. That is DOM structure. That is the DOM structure.
Sorry.
Okay, that is the DOM basically. That is the DOM means first of all, script tag is the priority.
Yeah, yeah.
So until unless the script is loading, your body is not loading. It means alert is basically coming from the window level. This alert is coming from the window level. So before the body, some script is working. Script is working from the browser level. So the DOM structure I will explain in the coming class.
Okay.
DOM architecture I will explain. JavaScript to DOM architecture. If you understand the DOM architecture, then only you can understand how this JS is loading. First of all, JavaScript is inbuilt of the browser. I told you.
Yes.
Okay, first browser is executing.
Yes.
First browser is executing means first script is executing. Script tag is priority. JavaScript is executing first. After the JavaScript only, after the browser only, a window is loading. After the window only, document is loading. Document is your body.
Yeah.
Okay, I will tell you this DOM architecture later. Then you can able to understand. But okay, understand right now. First internal is working, then only inline will work. Otherwise, the body is not loading until unless the script is not. Now you can execute one more time. Can you see this? JS is working. I am from internal. Internal is coming first. Body is not loading. Still waiting body. Still waiting body. When you close this, then body also load. Body loaded. I am from inline. Am I clear?
Yes.
Next, I want to write one more script, that is the external JavaScript. This is recommended, and this is you need to create a new file like file.js, whatever the name of the file you want, you can provide it. And external is application level JS. All pages, we need to inject this JS injection process. What is the injection process? Injection process is script src is equal to file.js, close the script tag. This is the different. Okay, how external CSS is loading? How external CSS is loading? Do you remember? How external CSS we are injecting?
Yeah, link or is equal to some style sheet.
Link relevant style sheet and href hyper reference and
Yes.
file dot css and self close tag. That is self close tag. But JavaScript is not like that. JavaScript is not like that. Script src source. What is the source? File.js and script tag. This is parent tag. This is parent tag. Okay, let me go with external JavaScript now. Take new program and save it as external JavaScript. External JS dot HTML. Let me go. This is the external JavaScript. External JS. Come to the point. I need to create a file.js separately. I told you already. There is no JavaScript available here. There is no JavaScript available here. Let me write down the JavaScript separately. Save it as file.js. Whatever the name of the file you want, you can take. I am taking file.js. Okay. Inside this, I am writing alert box. Alert external loading. External loading. But I need to inject here. Injection compulsory. I told you, na. Injection compulsory. I need to external JS injection process. What is the meaning of injection? When you go to hospital, some people are giving injections. That is injection.
Calling other file in this.
No, no. Medicine is injecting with your body through the syringe. That is inject. That is called injection. Injection is nothing but something like giving or inserting. Okay. Medicine is giving to the body through the syringe. That concept is called injection. That concept is called injection. But syringe is not injection. Okay. Okay. Concept is injection. Injection means here is file.js. I need to inject it to the external JS. script src, and what is that? File.js. Sir, you are saying injection means, sir, we are learning medicine. Whenever I'm saying like injection,
We are learning process.
injection is a process actually. Okay, so right, so script src file.js. That's it. Execute it. How many JavaScripts are executing here? How many JavaScripts are executing in this file?
One.
Only one JavaScript. That is coming from the outside of the file. Execute it. Open layer server. Okay. External is loading. Good. Only external is loading. Can I keep internal also here? Copy,
Yes.
paste. Now you tell me, and now you tell me which JavaScript will execute first.
External.
External.
Sir, this is not CSS, sir. This is JavaScript.
Internal, sir. First.
This is JavaScript. CSS means style you can see top. Style you can see top. But this is JavaScript. JavaScript means line by line execution. Even CSS also line by line execution. Last line is the first show. Last line is the first show. Even CSS also every line is working. But last line is the browser show. And here JavaScript means alert boxes. This is not colors. This is not something like style process. This is functionality. This is functionality. First script internal will work. Second script external will work. You compare with the CSS, sir, external only the output na? No, not like that. Even CSS also line by line execution, JavaScript also line by line execution, but CSS what is happening is last color only you can able to see on top of the browser. Last color only you can see, but here no colors, no fonts, nothing. Here this is functionality. Here this is functionality. Internal will load first, external will load second. Line by line execution, remember. Even CSS also line by line execution, but browser output is different. Okay. First of all, JS is working from internal, then external loading. Two JS files are executing. Two JS files are executing one by one. Okay.
If you write external first and then internal,
Obviously,
swap
external
it.
will work first.
Okay.
I do swap. Anyway, I do swap. I do swap. Then you can see. You can see. External loading, JS working from internal. Why? Because of line by line execution. Why? Because of line by line execution. Okay. For body onload, if I write attribute like onload, uh, let me write alert box here also. Now we have three JS. I am from inline. I am from inline. Inline should wait, sir. Inline should wait.
First
Inline should
script
wait.
will work.
Now tell me the process step by step.
First external will work.
Internal,
Second internal.
external, then inline.
No. External,
External.
internal,
Internet inline.
Oh,
then
sorry. You already swapped it. Okay.
already swapped it. Okay,
Okay.
now
I
you
know.
see. Okay. External, internal, then only inline. Then only inline. Inline will wait. Inline will wait until unless
Script will work.
you're not loading the body. Body is the last preference. Document is the last preference. If scripts are there, scripts are masters here. If scripts are there, scripts are masters. It may be the internal or external. After that only document is loading. After that only document is loading. Am I clear, sir? Priority, script priority. So
Yes, yes.
in this program only script priority we got to understand. Which script is loading first? Which script is loading next? JavaScript is line by line execution. Remember. Note point I'm writing here. Note point I'm writing. JavaScript is line by line execution. JavaScript is line by line execution. If I'm writing internal, then I'm writing external. Hmm. This will execute first. This will execute second. If I write external first, then if I'm writing internal second, tell me. First external, second internal. This is already we know. Okay, body will load. Body will load after internal or external. Internal or external. Body will load after the internal or external. Why? Because DOM. Why? Because DOM. DOM architecture. Why? Because DOM architecture. Can I explain DOM architecture right now?
Sir, you can write in this way: body will load after internal or external, comma internal and external.
No problem. So
I mean,
after
if the,
internal or external, or external only, body will load.
no, if both are there, both after both it will
Okay,
load also.
okay, and external or internal. Okay, for your understanding purpose, I'm writing.
And external and internal. What I mean to say is after both,
Yeah,
it
after
may take like only one condition. No, sir, internal or external means if one internal is loaded, then body
okay,
will load
after
like
both internal or external. This is enough. Huh?
uh,
Okay, right. So I
just to
don't know
make
that.
So,
it
sir,
I don't know that much English, sir. Tell me. Huh?
sir, if we have three types like inline, internal, or and external, so inline always come after internal and external, right?
Right. Body. Inline means body, sir. Here I'm writing inline
Hmm.
on top of the body level, on top of the HTML level. Right? Getting my point? First of all, the
Yes,
priority
sir.
is JavaScript. Yeah, this is also JavaScript, but this JavaScript on this JavaScript inserted for the body, for the body. That is our reason. Body wait till the scripts are loading. Body wait till scripts are loading. Why? Because of the DOM architecture. I will tell you the DOM architecture right now. So this is the DOM architecture. Let me tell you the DOM architecture. How JavaScript to DOM architecture will be. How the JavaScript to DOM architecture means. DOM means document object model. Document object model. JavaScript is basically working on document object model. DOC. DOM, sorry. No, DOM. Okay. How this DOM architecture will be. DOM architecture, document object model. Okay. For example, um, this is your browser. This is your browser. Imagine this is your browser. So browser, when you call application, when you execute one application, first of all, browser will call. Browser have some functionalities. Browser have some JavaScript. Browser JavaScript is first level. Browser JS is first level. Inside the browser, you don't see also. There is a window available. There is a window available. Window is a skeleton. Window is a skeleton. Window is the skeleton of the browser, and it is actually loading in the next level. The second level is window level. Window level JavaScript is going to be working in the next level. Window JS, window level JS. First level of JS is what? Browser level JS. Like your history, like your maps, like your notifications. All these things are browser level. Sir, you use the website or you don't use the website, automatically notifications are going to be adding for your YouTube. Automatically notifications are adding for your Amazon. Some different websites. If you subscribe for some websites, automatically notifications are there. How these notifications are coming from? Browser level. How these notifications are coming from? Suppose, for
Sir,
example,
can you
if I
repeat, sir? I can't get you.
one second, if I open my YouTube channel, automatically I can see some notifications here or not? Some four notifications. Even I did not use the YouTube till now.
Uh-huh.
I'm not using YouTube till now, but my notifications automatically coming here. How the notifications are actually showing here, coming here? Some kind of JS is working internally in the browser level. Some kind of JS automatically working in the browser level. Okay, what are the different kind of functionalities in the browser level? What are the different kind of functionalities in the window level? What are the different kind of functionality on top of document level? This is a document. On top of this document, this document in JavaScript, this is called document. In HTML, this is called body. In JavaScript terminology, this is called document. In HTML terminology, this is called body. Yes. In HTML terminology, this is body. Am I clear? Body of the HTML. Body of the HTML is called document. Body of the HTML is called document. But before the body, before the body of the HTML, in the browser level, there is a window level also available. In middle of browser and body, one window is also available. And window level JavaScript, some functionalities are there. Now, alert is coming na? Alert. Now alert boxes are coming na? Those alert boxes are actually coming from the window level. Prompt boxes are there. Later we will discuss about the prompts. Prompts also from the window level. Alerts, prompts, all these things are actually coming from the window level, not browser level. Let me show. Let me show. Okay. Execute it. Sir, this window, some box is there. This box is not attached to the browser on top of the body. This box is attached on top of the body. Where you can see this box? Where you can see this box
In
basically?
the body.
No, there is no body here.
Top of the window.
Before the body, some JS is there, some window is there. That window you cannot able to see. Before the body, some window is there. That window you cannot able to see. The structure of the window you cannot able to see. Window is some kind of engine. Browser engine, some JavaScript is working. Window engine, some JavaScript is working. After that, visibility is body. Before visible things, user can able to see the body, sir. I am the user, you are the user. We can able to see the body. But before the body, some functionality is behind of the browser, behind of the window. Some JavaScript is working on window, some JavaScript is working on browser. But we can't able to see that. We can able to feel it. So I can able to feel what is the feeling here. My alert box is coming. Why? Because of I'm writing alert. I'm writing alert inside the script. Inside the script, I'm writing alert. Then only I can able to see the alert box. I want to feel how the window is working. That is the very reason in the script I am writing alert box. Then I can able to feel, oh, some JavaScript is there before the body. Very good. Let me close this one. Let me close this one. Then I am from inline. Now body loaded. Body loaded at the same time. This is calling from the window level. Again, body is asking window, alert box is there. Please call the alert. That is the very reason alert box is calling. So this is called DOM architecture. On top of the body, what you can have? On top of the body, what you can have? You can have the header. You can have the inside the HTML. You will be having the head and body, no? And inside the body, I have the paragraph. I have the sidebar. I have the form. I have the table. All these elements, different kind of nested elements, will be going to be adding. This is the way of your DOM architecture. This is the way of your DOM architecture. Okay, let me write down in the one more way. Generally, in the internet also, this kind of architecture you can able to see. Okay, browser. If I open DOM architecture images in the browser, in the internet, you can see this kind of picture, and you can have the window. You can have the window, then you can have the body. Window browser is there, then window is there, then body is there. Inside the body, you can have sorry, not body. This is document. Document. On top of the document, on top of the document, you will be having the head and body. On top of the document, you will be having head and body. And head you can define some declarations. Body you can create your pages, components and all. Inside the body, I will be having tables and forms. See whatever you want. Inside the body, again you will be having some components, headings, paragraphs, forms, tables, different kind of concepts. Okay, let me show how this DOM architecture will be. Okay, DOM architecture. See the images of DOM architecture. Yeah, whatever. What is this? Why it is coming like this? JavaScript. Okay, you can see this. Now, where you can see this? Everybody is going from document only. This image is actually showing that. Can you see? This guy only giving from window only. I want I want from browser. Anybody is going to be giving the browser level? Nobody is giving browser level. Huh? Everybody is giving from the document only. Anybody giving browser? I am only giving browser. Huh?
You are the number one, sir. If you keep here.
Even people are giving from window onwards. Window, I know. Window, I know. Window have some history, document, location, all these things. Let me go. Let me go. No, nobody is going to be giving the browser. Browser is the top. Browser is the top more than window. Browser level JavaScript. So I will show browser level JavaScript. Browser level JS functions. I will show browser level JS functions. There are a number of browser level JS functions are available. Okay. Uh, okay. Some functions did not work. My function that did not work for the browser level. So let me ask ChatGPT. Yeah? That is better. Give me JS functions. Those will work on browser level. I'm already saying notifications kind of thing browser level. Work on browser level. Browser level. Show alerts and get page titles. Okay. Change background color. Background color is a browser level. Current date and time. Yeah, exactly. Date and time also. Date and time triggering from the browser level. Local storage. Exactly. Local storage is working from the browser level. Delete browser information. That is also browser level. Capture the mouse clicks. Yes, that is a browser level. And toggle the dark light modes. Fetch API data. That is very good. Fetch API data. And give me window level JavaScript functions. Give me window level JavaScript functions. Alerts, conforms, prompts, window.location, window.open, window.close, window.history, history back, history forward, and little bit timers, storage APIs, and screen and window information, event handlers, and window properties, networking, fetch networking, HTTP request. Those kind of operations you can perform on the window level. And give me document JS functions. Document related. Document.getElement by ID, document.getElement by class, document.getElement by class name, document.referrer. Yeah, document.getElement by, I told you, no? Document.getElement by class name, document.getElement by tag name, document.query selector, and inner HTML, inner text, get attribute, remove attribute. Oh my God, so many methods. So many methods which are going to be applicable on top of the document. That's all. So this is the why reason I'm telling. This is the basically DOM architecture is. So this is exclusive for you. And the browser is the first. On top of the browser, window is available. On top of the window, document is available. On top of the document, you will be having the elements, and you can perform different kind of operations. You can perform different kind of operations on document level. Sorry. You can perform different kind of operations on document level. At the same time, you can able to perform different kind of operations on window level. At the same time, you can able to do the highly uh, engine level operations on the browser level. Browser level mostly notifications. Browser level mostly notifications. Window level mostly locations, histories, navigations. All these things are window level. Prompts. Document level, through the JavaScript I want to change the data. Through the JavaScript I want to change the colors. Choose the JavaScript, I want to do the modifications of the pages, triggering the values 1 to different other value. That is on the document level. So these number of variations in the JavaScript, and we need to understand one by one slowly. No worries. Just try to observe the DOM architecture. Everybody got understand DOM architecture right now? DOM architecture. Even from the Google also I'm searching. Google also providing like a window level or document level mostly. But on top of that, there is a browser related JS is also available. Those kind of functionalities also we can learn, and window level functionalities also we can learn. Document level functionalities also we can learn. Learning JavaScript means learn everything. Learning JavaScript means learn everything. I don't want to skip any one of the concept. Okay, here browser level JS later we will see, and window level JS we can see, and document level JS also we can see. Different kind of functions which are going to be working for the browser level, different kind of functions which are working for the document level and window level. Browser is first, document is last. Browser is first, document is last. Okay, document nothing but your HTML. Document nothing but your HTML. Document nothing but your HTML.
So
Anything from,
document is body, right?
yeah, HTML body, head, whatever it may be, that is called document. See, whatever the visibility, document nothing but whatever the visible content, that is HTML. HTML or your body only. Head is actually head means it is containing some titles and all those under the window level only. That is the why reason document nothing but body. That's it. Enough. Okay, so there are some predefined functions, JS predefined functions which are available, predefined functions are available. Those kind of functions I will deal in the next class tomorrow. The first important function is alert function. We already done today. The second important function is prompt function. That is also we will deal tomorrow. Third kind of function is console.log, printing messages. That is also we will deal tomorrow. And one more is document.write. This is also we'll deal in the tomorrow session. These are the most important functions. First of all, we need to understand before going to the JavaScript learn. What is alert? How alert will work? What is prompt? How prompt will work? What is console? How console will work? What is document.write? How this document.write will work? So we will see these four functionalities, four functions tomorrow session, and after that we enter one by one all the concepts. We see events, we see variables, we see operators, we see loops, we see conditions, we see attribute manipulations, we see navigations. There are multiple concepts which are going to be available. We will deal all the JavaScript related concepts one by one slowly. But tomorrow agenda is understand about these four topics. Okay, am I clear, guys? Everyone, please let me know.
Can you open that file.js once? File.js.
File.js you want to
On the
open.
top. Yeah, on the
That's it.
simple only. Yeah.
It's straightforward.
And
Straightforward.
no need to write a script or something here now. Directly we can write alert and route, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Understood.
That is already JS, sir. That is already JS extension. File itself JS file. You can write down straightforward JavaScript code.
Write down straightforward files. Okay.
Write
Understood.
down straightforward. Suppose it is a file.py. Directly you can straightforward write the Python code.
Okay.
Straightforward you can write Python code. Straightforward you can write JavaScript code. If it is internal, compulsory you need to write the script tag. Why? Because in the
Internal
page
means
you
you
are
have
writing.
to. Okay.
Internal means we have to write the tag. Otherwise, it will not treat as a JavaScript code. This is not treated as a JavaScript code. In
Yeah, now
page
I'm
level,
clear.
if you want to write some JavaScript, then you need to specifically you need to store into the script. You need to pack with the script tag. Otherwise, it will not JS code kind of.
Understood.
Sir, could you
Understand?
click on external gs.html?
Yes. Please go ahead. Go ahead. Understand? Here I am writing three things.
Okay.
Inline I am writing, internal I am writing, external I am writing. First execution is what? External. Second execution is what? Internal. Third execution is what? Inline. Body wait until the scripts are loading. I told you na DOM architecture. Document is last level. In DOM architecture, document is last level or not? Document is last level or
Yes,
not?
last level.
This one, last level. But before this
Last.
document, window is there, some browser is there, some masters are there in behind. Okay, write down. So now your scripts, internal or external scripts are actually loading from the window level. That is the problem. That is the why reason inline is waiting until the scripts are loading. That is the why reason inline is waiting until the scripts are loading. Why? Because scripts are loading from the window level. Am I clear, sir? Okay. So
Clear, clear.
Yes.
have a good day. And one more point I want to say. Please like the
Like
video, share the video, subscribe the
from
channel.
from
I'll be
20th
free.
onwards, again you'll start from the basics, sir. Like how is it going to be?
20th onwards, huh?
Oh yeah.
That curriculum is different, I think so.
Oh, that
It's
is
not
different.
that much. It is not that much deeper and bigger. It's different
Okay.
based on the curriculum. Day-wise curriculum, I will go.
Okay.
Why? Because
Because there
in
also you mentioned like it will be from LKG to PhD kind of thing. Nah, I saw your video. So again, we'll
definitely,
be starting with the basics, or like how is it going to be from
yeah,
20th onwards?
new people will come now. Definitely,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
have to.
that's it.
Definitely,
Yeah.
I need to cover all the topics.
Yes,
Like
yes.
not this much extreme level. This JavaScript is this is the JavaScript class. I'm going each and every concept pin to pin, going like in depth and checking
Okay.
the differences and checking the things different ways. Okay, we'll see
Understood.
how it will go
Yeah, sure.
based on the students and based on the situation. See, I will handle the class based on the students. If the students are fast, I am also fast. Students are slow, I may get my speed less
Okay, sir.
decrease. Okay, so that is the way of the classes. No problem. So please refer your friends, guys. Okay, please like the video, share the videos, and subscribe the channel. Click on the bell icon for the notification for the further notifications.
I commented in LinkedIn, sir.
LinkedIn,
Okay.
no, I want YouTube, sir.
No, no, just telling you, sorry. In that platform
Thank
also.
you. Thank you very much, Prakash. And please comment in the YouTube channel
Sure, sure,
for at least our classes and Python classes. Enough.
sure, sure.
Yes, thank you. See you signing off. Tomorrow we'll meet
Okay.
again.